Hi there, it's December 26, 2012. Merry Christmas. It's freaking cold here in Tokyo, Japan. Today's episode is about manual focus. I'm going to compare my camcorder Canon HF-G10 with my DSLR Canon 60D. Here's the LCD of my Canon HF-G10. If you want to shoot in manual, just press this AF/MF button and then switch to manual focus. One of the nice things of this camcorder is this focus assistance. If you want to activate the focus assistance, just hit on. When the focus assistance is activated, it's going to magnify the LCD screen automatically when you're moving the focus ring, and it also indicates the distance on the LCD screen. As soon as you stop moving the focus ring, then the LCD will go back to normal. It's a really nice feature when you are focusing manually, because the LCD screen is very small. It's kind of difficult to really pin focus with a small LCD screen. Here's another system to help you manual focus. Let's activate the peaking. The edges of subject in focus is going to turn red to tell you that they are in focus. I cannot get the magnification assistance when filming. The magnification doesn't work. You can only magnify it if you get out of recording. If you need magnification assistance while filming, then you gotta use a magnifier like Zakuro viewfinder. In the other episode, I compared the camcorder autofocus with my DSLR, and I thought camcorder has the edge when it comes to filming without interruption and with good focus. Today I compared the manual focus, and I think I have to say again that the camcorder has the edge. But I'm not necessarily recommending a camcorder over DSLR. I'm still a big fan of the shallow depth of field the DSLR can produce. But there are simply times when I cannot shoot with DSLR pulling focus for hours. For example, if I have to shoot a stage event or a concert where I have to shoot for hours with nice focus, then I cannot use the DSLR. I'm going to use the camcorder. But if I really want a shallow depth of field, a nice film look, then I have to use the DSLR. So use your equipment depending on the situation. It really depends what you want to shoot and then how you want to shoot. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.